Hi, this is what Holdem Genius looks like when it's actually attached to your game. In the middle of the table, you'll see the little grey block over here. It shows me I had a 3 and a 2. I'm sitting here on the left. This is me at the left of the table over here, and I did have a 3 and a 2, but I folded. It remembers my cards, and as the cards come out here, it gives you advice on what you would have had, so it's a very good learning tool. Now, sit back for 2 minutes and just have a look at the screen. I've been moved to another table. Right, so as soon as I go OK, immediately I've now got to say change seats. When I click change seats, it puts me around here. I find where I'm sitting top left, so I click here. It will now attach to me. Good. Alright, 8 and a 4. It knows I've got an 8 and a 4. It's telling me to fold as my hand ranking is 13.4%. You've seen the television poker before where they show you the odds of every hand. Well, now you've got it available to you all the time. Now imagine if you were playing on a massive tournament and you reach the final table and 5 or 6 people are using calculators like this. It would be an advantage if you weren't using one. Currently the calculator is free. All you've got to do is take out an account at one of 2 poker rooms. It is explained on the website, and the minimum deposit is $20. You get the calculator and the serial code, and it's yours for free because the $20 is yours to spend. If you have a look around, just watch the screen for a while. You'll see what it does for you. It gives you advice all the time. It tells me at the bottom left here, my hand rank was 1,039 out of 2,000 odd. I had no chance of even playing that hand. Right, let's next hand. I've got a queen and a 6. See there, it says my queen and a 6. It's giving me fold again. Obviously I'm going to fold the queen and a 6. I fold it. But it does remember my hand, and as the cards come out, it will show you on the right what options you could have had with that queen and a 6. The best deal you could have had was a queen high full house. So if you just watch a little bit, you'll see how this calculator works. The beauty with Holdem Genius is it can attach to multiple games. So if you're playing 3 or 4 sit and goes at once, or 3 or 4 cash tables at once, you can have this little bar in the middle. You can actually minimize all of the side bars. You can actually detach them, and all you will have is the one in the middle, which gives you basically all the information you do need. King and a 7, my hand ranking is 66%. It's suggesting that I fold again because there's been people raised before me, so I fold. I'm in a tournament at the moment which has got a 30-minute blind, and it's just started, and everybody starts with 5,000 in chips. So if you watch it for another minute or so, you'll get an idea how it works, and then I'll show you where to actually get the calculator. Look in the middle here, it's saying King 7. If I'd played the hand, it would have told me I must call a small bet because I would have had now a 36% chance of winning this because I would have had a king. But my kick is very small, that's why it's only a 36% chance. They even tell you on the right here what's the best your opponent can have. So if you use this, if you're new to online poker, this is an essential tool to use because it teaches you when to play and when not to play. And you will learn that the best is folding most of the time in Texas Hold'em. You've got to be patient and you've got to wait for the good hands. A lot of people don't have patience. Right, where we've got a pair of 10s, my hand rank is 98%. 98%, and that means I've got a 22% chance of winning with 1 in 5 odds over here, so that's great. It's telling me to raise or call a small raise, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to raise 60, which is 3 times the big blind. As the people fold, you'll notice that it calculates how many people are in the game. They know there's 2 and 7 folded. I'm now going to check. It's telling me to check or call a small bet. Well, if he hasn't got a jack, I'm in good shape, but I'm going to bet 60. Now, if he's got a jack, I'm in deep trouble, but if he hasn't, I'm definitely in the lead. He's going to fold. I've got a 50% chance, but I'm bluffing this hand slightly. There he folds. He didn't have the jack, but he was probably scared of the straight. So as I said, it's a great learning tool, and